Hey everyone, have you heard of the Ramayana? It's a super cool story from India. It teaches us about good and bad, right and wrong. The story is about Rama, a prince that everyone loves. He's really nice and kind. He's about to be king. Everyone is so excited. But something unexpected happens. Rama has to go live in the forest for 14 years. Whoa, that changes everything for Rama. He starts to see the world in a whole new way. So, Rama goes to the forest with his wife Sita and his brother, Lakshmana. They live a simple life there. Rama learns a lot in the forest. He sees how beautiful nature is. He learns about being peaceful. Slowly, Rama doesn't care about stuff anymore, like toys or fancy clothes. He realizes that being happy comes from inside you. Rama shows us that you don't need a bunch of things to be happy. True happiness is about feeling peaceful inside. One day, a really wise man named Rishi Viswamitra visits Rama. He needs Rama's help. A mean monster is bothering him while he's meditating. Rishi Viswamitra can tell there's something special about Rama. He knows Rama is more than just a prince. He's like a super special person. Rishi Viswamitra goes to King Dasaratha, Rama's dad. He tells the king that Rama needs to come with him. The king is surprised. He doesn't want Rama to go. This is a tough choice for the king. He has to choose between how much he loves his son and doing what the wise man asks. King Dasaratha is so sad. He really doesn't want Rama to leave, but he knows he has to do the right thing. He lets Rama go with Rishi Viswamitra. Rama is ready to go. He isn't scared at all. He has chosen to learn more about his spiritual side. Rama teaches us that being strong means letting go of things. We shouldn't want lots of stuff all the time. True freedom is about how you feel inside. Rama's journey is really inspiring. It teaches us to look past all the stuff we want and find real happiness inside ourselves.